So, and again, apologize for it being nigh, but it's October. You don't have the 8:30 daylight like you do in June and July. It gets dark at 6:30 now, so yeah, that's the train. Good to see. It was stopped earlier. It was like the autorack, and then you could see from there. It's like the third intermodal. It might be. I thought they had a really good. I think this time it might be. This time I think they might have stopped it at. Yeah, I think they're stopping at an Osborne. No, it looks like they're actually moving. There it is. We had it like a couple weeks ago, and I missed a good chance. It's moving slowly, so I think I got the signal. So this train is going, obviously, because the autoracks. It's not stopping. It's moving slow. Well, it might be stopping now. That's the first of the intermodals. There's always two intermodals. That's the two Eastbound Intermodals. And what held things up is that the autorack, as well as really that one, was stopped because I think they just stopped before because of the entrance at Black Oak. Obviously, the second intermodal got stopped at Osborne. That's the other railroad. I think Internet's got, and that's kind of like what's going to be the more between Hessville and Woodmart to the two neighborhoods consisting of the southeast side of Hammond, Black Oak's obviously the southwest side of Gary. Now we got ramp music. There's nothing I can do to block that. Some of those people in those apartments, they like. Yeah, this is the second intermodal. We've seen the first one earlier. That's like. Looks like it got this. It went how further we're going to get. Trying to actually so close. This is going to second intermodal. Again, apologize for it being night. I mean, it's October. You don't get. It's not daylight till 30 like it is in June and July. There's a shorter this late in the year. Good to see railroads a little bit better, and I think we're a bit closer to winter when you have to lose their leaves. Are they stopping the train at the signal? Usually, well, I think it's got a red. We'll get up there. Well, we've had 7. Well, we've had 7-minute garden videos, so it wouldn't kill me to have a 7-minute railroad video. A 7-minute train video, I should say. see the train. Wait a couple more minutes. That's 7 and 8 minute. And it's, so we might have. It's 7 and 8 yet. Next Garda video will probably be. It's not wait another minute. Probably just delete it because I don't like uploading. This is already. Video's already almost 6 minutes. I don't like. I had a good example a couple weeks ago. Missed a good chance to get a good rainbow. That was like this. That's the second intermodal. Okay, let's move. Let's get away from the track. I wanted to do a video of this. I mean, it's not really. There's enough to see, is it? It's got a bad. No, because it is clear. It's got. This has a so we know it has a bad signal. It might have turned yellow though. Now you're another train. I don't know if that's the train just cleared. Going through like that neighbor by that church and like go fast, got Hornberg, that Clark, the roads that way, by Blackcomb that way. This isn't in. This should be an intermodal. There's always two intermodals. Sometimes it's an autorack. Train. Okay. 8:30. Okay.